Kapoy na? Well, pwede ra kay ka maglingkod dari o. Or maghinuktok. Ay naghuna-huna sa imong grades if makapasar pa ba? Or ikaw pa ba?
괜찮아요. 괜찮아. 괜찮아.
Today, we're going to show you that art is actually everywhere, even right here at PCF.
So get ready to see our school in different ways. Let's go!
First up is the I Love PCF landmark. Look at this. It's huge, 3D, and stands right here to welcome everyone.
Here, the shapes are so bold and the colors are so bright. It makes us feel happy and proud, right, Daniela?
Yes, my friend. Wow. So art can also be a symbol of school spirit. That's so cool.
Did you know buildings are also art? Check out our classroom and hallways.
It's not just about the walls and the roof. It's actually a masterpiece designed to make us feel good.
We also have a functional design. Check out the benches and chairs. They aren't just hard objects, okay? They are shaped perfectly, so we can sit comfortably, and they look nice too.
Alright, art is useful too, and it makes our daily life easier and prettier.
And of course, we have visual communication arts. Look at these designs and directions. The colors and patterns makes us easy for it to read.
This is called graphic design. It guides us and it also looks super attractive at the same time.
Who knew that the simple signs are also art? Put your feet on the air.
We have a learning environment inside in our classroom. Look at the decoration, design, and how everything is arranged.
Yes, a beautiful places really make us feel motivated and happy to learn.
It's designed to look clean and positive so we can study better and enjoy learning.
So guys, today we learned that the art is literally everywhere, the big or small.
Our school is not just a building. It's a huge masterpiece just made for us.
Shows PCF, the school that trains for service.